Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're going to do a leftover paint pour. It's been a minute since I've done one of these, and I always get the question, so I'll show you how I save this paint. So I just take a cup from a previous pour and I put it on top and let it drain into each other, and I leave it like that. And I just keep doing that over and over until I have enough paint. Whoops. The exciting thing about this is that there are so many different kinds of paint in here, and there's actually some of the new Arteza premixed paints video coming on that really soon. So this is quite the mixture of paints and pouring mediums and whatnot. So that bright orange, that orange and pink, I think are both. Oh, you know what? There's even some of that craft paint in here because I recently did the acrylic pouring on a budget video. So some of the paints on the bottom of this cup are those craft paints with glue. So we have not only glue in here, we have Floetrol, and then the pre-mixed paints. This one is quite the gamble. It's interesting how that the pink and the orange are so vibrant. The orange is definitely the Arteza, and the pink is that craft paint. That I am fairly certain of. All right. Now I have noticed that with your leftover paint pours, I think because some of the water probably evaporates out, they do tend to crack a bit more, like they tend to craze. It usually doesn't bother me. But on this one, I ran a little extra paint off the canvas, just in case of that. Oh, I love this section down here. That's quite the beautiful color combo. Okay, let's let this sit here for a bit. And then we'll go in for our close-up. Okay, really not much going on. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. I find that these leftover pours often look like sorbet because it kind of mutes the colors a little bit. But yeah, so bottom right hand corner here, going up to the upper right hand corner. This is more my usual color scheme. Upper left hand corner. And then down to the lower left-hand corner. I love, 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 love this section right here. So pretty. Okay, guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you keep your leftover paint because you can make some really, really awesome pieces. These are, of course, colors I would have never put together, like the red and pink and orange and blue and purple and everything in green. I would have never put these colors together. So this is always a fun, it's like a fun like surprise painting, you know, and plus you're saving your paint. You're not wasting all that paint that's left over in your cups. All right, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see everybody next time.